Hello, what is your name? Where are you from? Hi guys, I am Yael at Daniel LLL and I'm from Paranaque.
Ay, what is your experience? Kamusta yung experience ng fashion sale?
Actually guys, it's my second concert with SB19 and I've been a fan since last year. And sobrang nag-enjoy ako and kita nyo guys, sobrang post ko na. So halatang nag-enjoy and super sigaw every time yung mga performance, especially kay Ken.
Ay, sino bias mo?
Yeah, my bias is Ken.
Why?
Sobrang galing niya pumorma. Actually, yung boots ko ngayon is his Balenciaga boots. So I bought it from him.
Inspired for me.
Ha?
Inspired.
Sa kanya pala ito. Sa kanya to. Yeah, yeah.
Just kasi size mo.
Yes, yes.
Ano yung segment na nagustuhan mo?
Actually, kahit bias ko si Ken, yung performance ni Pablo, sobrang solid, ang galing, punong-puno ng passion. So, sabi ko, sobrang galing talaga ng mga boys.
Message mo na lang sa kanila, they're celebrating.
Yeah, actually, 1 year pa lang akong fan as an 18 for SB19. Pero grabe, sobrang nakita ko yung passion. Tuloy nyo lang yan guys. Sobrang na-inspire nyo ako. And for sure, yung mga other 18, na-inspire nyo rin. So, keep your music. Sana marami pa kayong music na dumating. Susuportahan namin kayo for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. What is your name? Where are you from?
I'm Tata from Caloocan.
I'm Sai from Bicol.
By the way, I love your look. Talagang bagay na bagay sa music and fashion. Ayan, approve ba sa inyo yung bagong concept ng show nila?
Yes, sobrang approver. Bali, sobrang kakaiba, tapos sobrang saya, sulit talaga, as in.
Wala na akong masasabi pa dahil sila lang may paganoon talaga.
Namaos si ate.
Namaos! Kakasigaw, kaka-drip.
Sino yung bias nyo?
Pablo!
Pablo!
Why?
Kasi unang-una, siya yung leader, matalino. Tingnan mo naman yung performance kanina. Ang bongga, di ba?
Ako kahit berry ako.
O, di ba? Ayun.
Pablo is always perfect.
Ah!
So, ayun, aside from the solo nila, ano yung group na performance na nagustuhan nyo?
Actually, nagustuhan ko yung huli. Doon ka and Crimson. Kasi doon talaga sobrang lahat yung tao. Eh di ba as an SB19 fan, alam natin na yung SLMT, hindi pa yun yung huli. Di ba? Kaya inabangan talaga ng mga tao. Yes.
Ako naman, lahat, especially yung solo perform ni Pablo.
Diba?
And then, napakasaya kasi hindi talaga binibigo palagi.
Message nyo na lang sa kanila, they're celebrating 7th anniversary.
Oh my God! Happy anniversary! SB19! Sana tumagal pa kayo. Maraming salamat sa buhay nyo kasi dahil sa inyo, nabubuhay yung pangarap namin.
I love that word.
Happy anniversary SB19. Huwag kayong mag-alala habang boys sa kwarta namin.
Yeah!
Thank you so much, This time na kay Loki.
Exposed na.
Ayan, hello, what is your name? Where are you from?
I'm Kaisley and my sister, Kaysriel.
Kaya pala.
Yes.
Kaya.
And we're from Marikina / Cavite.
Yes, ayan, ilang years na kayong fan ng SB?
4 years.
Same talaga.
Yes po.
Wow, di ba?
Yeah.
Talagang concert body talaga. Ayan.
Yes.
Kamusta ang experience nyo ng Fast Zone? This is another one of a kind. Nandito kami ba?
Yes. Since talagang iba siya sa previous events na na-attend namin, super na-amaze kami kasi nagawa nila ipag-collab yung fashion and music and super naging maganda yung kinalabasan niya throughout the concert. Sobrang saya na experience.
For me po, super saya po ng experience and nakaka-proud po kasi na pagsabayan po nila yung fashion, then may artist pa po silang na-invite, which is Sarah. Then, super nakaka-amaze po yung everything kahit minsan may naging, tawag dito, may naging lapses po, na taguyod pa rin po nila ng maganda yung event.
At super saya ng solo performances
Yun
nila.
na nga eh.
Sobrang solid.
Ayan, kanino kayo na-believe or na-amaze sa solos nila?
Sorry ko, pero bias ko kasi sigla. So, Justin talaga. Pero grabe, kuha-kuha ako ng bias record ko na si Pablo. Promise.
Iba
Sobra.
talaga siya kanina.
Yeah.
Iba po si Pao,
Ikaw,
pero
sinong bias mo?
si Josh po.
And then, kanino ka na-amaze? Kanino ka na-amaze sa solos?
Sorry Josh, pero kay Pablo.
Parang tayong lahat eh. Kasi ako, berry ako. But
Iba, super, iba po si Pao kanina.
Sulit, no? How about sa group performance? Ano
Group performance, happy ako na narinig ko ng live yung Kalakal. And nakita ko yung Moonlight ulit na ganun yung areglo. Super saya.
For me po yung yung sama-sama po yung si Sir Francis, si Sarah J sa stage.
SLMP.
Yes po, sa SLMP.
Iba
Super
rin.
ang cute lang po nilang tignan.
Ayan, last question. Message nyo na lang sa kanila, they're celebrating 7th anniversary.
Yan. Of course, happy 7th anniversary SB19 and congrats sa lahat ng achievements nyo at tandaan nyo lang na lagi kami nandito to support you all.
Happy 7th anniversary and I hope na mas lalo pa kayong tumagal at mas lalo pa kayong makilala ng buong mundo.
Thank you so much. Ingat kayo. Hello guys, what is your name? Where are you from?
Hi, I'm Sarah. I live in Manila. I am Chachi from Dominican Republic.
English speaking?
Yes, konti lang Tagalog.
Oh my god, I'm nose bleeding. Yeah.
She came here because of SB19.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
2023, supposedly a short visit, but she's still here. Yeah.
Oh my god, thank you for that. What is your experience after watching Fast Zone? This is another kind of show.
Super high quality. I think the surprise factor also helped a lot.
Yeah.
Super high quality vocals, production, Sir Francis, sobrang galing.
Honestly, I was not expecting it. First time being to like a concert that's also a fashion show all in one. So it's like a whole theater performance because you had the dancing, you had the music, live performance, you had the clothing, and what I was surprised was Coach J. His performance. I was not expecting
And the stage,
him singing.
the stage,
Ooh, and the
Direct Pao.
one with the pole,
Yeah,
with the sticks.
yeah.
For some reason,
Scaffolding.
for some reason, I felt that was gonna be a stage. And while I was recording, I'm like, that looks like a platform.
Yeah.
And then when they finally went on there with Sarah Geronimo, I knew. I was like, I knew it. I knew it. It was nice.
Yeah.
Unexpected too.
Yeah, that's the word, unexpected. Who's your bias?
Pablo.
Why?
The songwriting, I like second voice, and he does harmony really well. So, but yeah.
Yeah.
And he
How about you? Oh.
Hindi naman
I
obvious
know.
na.
Yeah, I gotta go though. My ride's here, but
Alright. Thank you so much.
Happy anniversary,
Happy
SB.
anniversary.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Ingat.
you.
Take care.
Let's go! Thank you so much!